Morning everybody, welcome back to another adventure. Today we are at Devil's Creek Trail in Cambridge, and unfortunately right at the start, didn't know because it's so hard to tell in Google Maps, this seems to be an asphalt trail, but it leads into a dirt trail. I know because I've kind of been in this area before, but so far asphalt, and at least there's a creek here. But apparently there's some really nice waterfalls, really nice views, so tune in. And if you guys would consider subscribing, liking the video, I would greatly appreciate that, and we will get this adventure going now. So far, got a pretty creek system, and definitely looks like it could be potential fishies in here already. So if we see any, definitely try to get them captured on film for you guys. But wow, pretty. I mean, this could potentially be gold, right? Gold nuggets. There could be gold nuggets in here. I mean, anything's possible, right? These rivers could be hundreds of years old for all we know, right? Wow, cool. Yeah, it's just a little tad bit disappointed on the asphalt. I mean, I would expect a little higher standards for when you call it Devil's Creek Trail. Maybe there's dirt. But that's okay. Hopefully this is going to lead into the other trail I'm thinking. But oh, it's kind of a cool tree. Might be a good Instagram shot. There we go. Yeah. Well, not much of an adventure yet, but yeah, see, nice creek system. I'm looking for fishies, but I'm also looking for treasure too. I mean, you guys know by now, if you're watching a few of my videos, that the obsession with finding somebody's old cell phone is very high with me. And if we find golf balls, super happy, but we want the golden ticket, the golden nugget, which is totally a cell phone. We're gonna find one of these days, and it's gonna be very funny. But might be a long-term goal. But let's see, it's here too. It's a very nice day so far. It's supposed to be about 20 degrees Celsius. Oh, see, the creek bed doesn't actually run through here. Huh, goes over there. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, always creeped out when you're in a new place for a bit, until you get comfortable, warm and cozy. You never know what's actually back here, but it's a kind of a pretty tree. But yeah, there's creek system that goes all the way back here, and yeah, let's try and get out of here without getting ourselves smacked with some trees. Finding some potential climbing trees, but kind of looks like this tree somehow at one point got burnt. Weird. Yeah, it's a nice view. Yeah, you can see that there's some people houses. People. Ugh. But yeah, that creek system keeps going, which is kind of cool to have along a trail. And I'm hoping that we're gonna see some wow stuff today for having to walk on asphalt. Okay, I could just go to the side here and walk on the grass, which, yes, I'm going to. But yeah, let's just stop paving trails, right? The point of people going on trails is not to walk on pavement, it's to walk on trails. Oh, I see we got our little tidbit of information here. And this looks a very pretty area. Where did it get its name? Well, somebody's gonna read this years down the road, or maybe even when this is posted. Yeah, cool. A lot of heritage. And as you guys know, sooner or later we gotta come back to this and read all these plaques when I'm retired. But Look at that creek system. Oh, that's pretty. Very, very pretty. Look at it, just keep going. Sorry guys, this is going to be a few Instagram shots, so if you guys want, you can follow us on Instagram too. Wow, that is gorgeous. So guys, we're going to get you some ASMR waterfall. Hope everybody enjoyed that minute ASMR waterfall. I know I did. It's so tempting to just sit there all day long and enjoy the wonderful waterfall. Oh boy, I think I hear even a bigger one. Oh, crumbs. Wowzers. Oh, you guys gotta see this. Wow. Wow. Yeah, wow. Wow, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Brent, you should get closer. Well, Brent just might. But Brent might be getting in a lot of trouble if somebody finds him. But holy Toledo, that is beautiful. So for the next minute, we're going to give you some more ASMR waterfalls. Because it's so pretty. Oh, sorry guys, this is just so beautiful, and I really want to get down there, but kind of false advertising saying there's a waterfall here because you can't really get a good view of it. And I suppose you can't have all your cake and eat it too, right? We're going to check on the map which way we're going to go, but I think we're going the opposite direction. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now officially off the asphalt and heading towards another very pretty view. Fortunately, there's traffic around here, so it can get pretty noisy. But it's a beautiful day, and wow, I'm just so excited to see what we can find here. Oh boy, look at this, guys. Wow. So, guess we're going down here. And that means, well, let's see what this is first. Oh, a big golf course here, eh? It's a ways down. Right. Yeah, very nice area. Holy Toledo. Very nice area. Wow. Big place. But yeah, we're gonna go adventure down here. And hopefully it's not gonna be too shaky. But I apologize if it is, because I don't want to put my life in danger for stable footage. So, here we go. Can't say I'm not bringing you guys on crazy adventures. Gotta get a picture of that. Oh. Definitely no shortage of risk here. Try not to get bum covered in dirt. It's always important. Nobody wants a bum covered dirt. Very pretty, wow. A lot of rocks, trees, and that's where we came up. So far so good. Alright, well, nice wobbly stick to lay on. Well, you know what I should say? Alright. Well, if anybody tells me I don't bring you guys on adventures. Oh, look at that pretty view over there. But we're going to a much more pretty view. Can you guys hear that from here? I can hear what it is. Yeah, that's not a golf cart. Yes, it is a golf cart, but there's more than just a golf cart here. Wow. You guys see that? I see it. I thought this place would be jam-packed. Apparently I came at the perfect time. Nobody here, not a single soul. Just you, me, and the adventure. Wow. So we can go multiple ways. Apparently we want to go up first. Whew, little dangerous here, guys. Wow. Damn, so pretty. Very, very pretty. Now we're gonna have to go down to show you the full view, because this just doesn't do justice. So, on our way to get the full view of this pretty waterfall. It's so nice that somebody carved a path out here for us. Might be hard to see with the sun, but we're gonna try it anyway, guys. This is what it's about. Pretty views, and hopefully this wonderful clickbait will convince at least a few of you to get out and do the same thing. I mean, this is in Cambridge, Ontario, if anybody's interested to know. But holy Toledo, it is so pretty. Alright, we still need to get farther down. Well, we made it. So now the grand reveal. Was it worth coming down here? Absolutely. Absolutely. Hopeful that there'd be more water, but you can see how shiny that is. And very, very pretty. The hard part is, for at least Instagram, getting some good views that you can actually see the water. So we're gonna try not to get a soaker here. We're going to go to the other side. And, yeah. Oh, hi, pretty bird. Yeah. Pretty. But I think the other one kind of trumps it because it's easier to see the water. But unfortunately, it would seem we can't get to that other one. Actually, I think we can. So let's check. Okay, guys and girls, doing this for you. Didn't expect to walk back to the waterfall, but the waterfall we were previously at. But I'm trying to do it from the ground level so we can get those epic pictures that nobody else is gonna get. Kind of seems like others have tried this. Seems like there's somewhat of a path, but look how gorgeous it is here, and nobody's out disturbing us. Or this is perfect. If we can just get along the shoreline, even if we can't get back up that way, that's totally fine. We'll find another route to go up. But yeah, this is awesome. I think we might have to go all the way to that bridge-ish thing. That's gonna be a far haul, but this is what we do. This is what we're gonna do all the time. And I appreciate it if anybody wants to be a supporter of the channel and participate in the Patreon. I would greatly appreciate that, so we can come up with new content like this for you guys every day of the week. Well, 5 days a week. And yeah, that would be pretty awesome to bring you guys along on this adventure and be able to afford to do so without going into massive YouTuber debt. But yeah, if you can't, that's fine. No pressure at all. Especially with all this COVID stuff, everybody's tight on funds. But to any of you that do, greatly appreciate you. Wow, this might be one heck of a adventure to get there. But we're gonna try. I think we have to go back up though. Ooh, gotta watch out for rocks too. Yeah, it looks like a muddy slope. Oh, alright, I think we're gonna take a break. Break time first. Guys and girls, I am totally zonked. I think we're about halfway there. And holy Toledo. Didn't expect it to be that hard. But we're gonna get there. Hopefully, we're gonna do everything we can to get there. And I'll show you the pretty view I'm enjoying right now for my break. So, this is the view from below that I think very few people see. And nice clean water, somewhat. But I think we have to go all the way to that bridge. So it's gonna be a while longer. That's why I'm trying to take a break, have a snack bar, and just relax a little bit. I think I'm pushing myself a little too hard recently, and we gotta be cautious because if we get hurt out here, we're in trouble. But we'll be alright. Always keep positive, always look for the bright side of things, and hopefully that'll inspire a few of you guys to come out and do the same thing I'm doing. Even if you don't make money for the first year or so, just keep grinding away. Once you get that 1,000 subscribers and you get the 4,000 watch hours, I think at least it'll be totally worth it. Even if you make 1 cent per video, that's something that you never had before, right? So you can build off from there, and you can certainly get a lot better over time. And the more more frequent quality of content you post, the better things get for you. And the more views you get, the more YouTube algorithm gets part into play. And the long term, yeah, it's a lot of work, but to me, I think it will be absolutely worth it. even if we try this for 5 months and see, maybe we hit 500 subscribers, maybe we hit the 1,000, or maybe we only hit 100. Right now, as we're currently filming, we're at 42. So I greatly appreciate anybody that subscribes, because any new YouTuber knows subscriptions and Patreon and all that stuff is vital to be able to do this for a living. And I definitely want to do this for a living. So let's make this possible, guys, and I will bring you all the quality content I can. And we try to do it 5 days a week, which is grueling, but because then you have to edit it, all that too. But as I said before, to me, this is definitely one I want to do for a living. Even if I only make 20,000 or 10,000 for the first year, I am definitely interested in doing this for the long term. And the long-term growth potential is huge. So let's keep this going, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And we're gonna try to get to that waterfall that we were previously at, right to the bottom, where nobody else probably goes, because this is so grueling down here. But we're gonna do it. Wow, got some really nice views of the rocks up here. It's insane to know I'm so far down. And I think we found our first find today. Significant find, potentially. Not sure what we would do with it, but look at what we found. Oh, so it looks like a headlight of some sort. That's pretty cool. We definitely need to bag that one up. And it's not broken either. It doesn't look broken. Maybe I don't know any better, but not cracked. I think that's sweet. One of these days, guys, like I keep telling you, it's gonna be a cell phone like this, sitting way down here. If somebody took a selfie or something and dropped the cell phone, hopefully just the cell phone and not them. You guys hear that waterfall? We're getting closer. I can show you where we came from, and it's pretty insane. It's hard to narrow down where it was, but I'm hoping we don't have to go all the way back. Maybe we can find a short way up. I don't think we're finding a short way today, but not only doing this for you guys, but I'm doing it for myself and the adventures. And what do we have here? What's this? What is this? Oh, off a bike. That's cool. And maybe part of a spoke or something. Alright, well, we're gonna keep these potential nice treasures right here, and if we come back from them, we come back from them. But the bike thing is really heavy. Did we? No way. Come on, guys, this isn't funny. Somebody coming out here and just doing this, just playing with our minds. I don't even want to walk up here, but I'm gonna do it. Come on, guys. Really? Okay, well, this one I understand, right? Maybe. But here's where it was, okay? And it's a pretty nice one. But how do you shoot so shitty to shoot all the way over here? I don't know. It's pretty terrible, terrible, terrible shot. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're here. And you say we're here, like, what's that mean? I think we're at the most beautiful spot that I've found in Cambridge, Ontario. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Just a little ASMR for you guys. We'll leave this for a few minutes. And I hope you enjoy. Well, hope everybody enjoyed that video. That was definitely a breathtaking one, and I hope for the next one to be even better than that. But our expectations are not too high. It's always good to have low expectations and then to be wowed when you see a beautiful waterfall place like that. We might create a little montage later on with some ASMR waterfall footage that we've gathered from all the places we've been. But for now, thank you guys very much, and I hope you consider subscribing and like the video. And you can also visit the Patreon if you guys are interested in becoming a true Creative Adventure Patreon supporter. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next adventure.